Meaning of dreamless.
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 Dreamless. Dreamless means without dreams or the absence of dreams during sleep. It is a state in which a person does not experience any dreams while sleeping. This can be caused by various factors such as medication, alcohol consumption, sleep deprivation, or certain sleep disorders. While dreamless sleep may provide a restful night's sleep, it could also indicate a problem with the individual's sleep quality. Dreams play an important role in regulating mood, consolidating memories, and processing emotions, so the absence of dreams in the long term could have negative effects on an individual's well-being.